Hello everyone. Have you ever felt like there aren't enough hours in the day to accomplish everything on your to-do list? Imagine if you could master the art of time management and make every minute count. What would you do with all that extra time? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the importance of effective time management, various techniques to enhance your time management skills, how to apply these techniques to maximize productivity and reduce stress. Let's discuss the importance of effective time management. Effective time management is essential for achieving goals, reducing stress, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. It allows you to prioritize tasks, feel productive, avoid procrastination, and make the most of your available time. Example: consider a student who manages their time well. They allocate specific hours for studying, leisure, and sleep, ensuring they perform well academically while still enjoying their personal life. Let's discuss various techniques to enhance your time management skills. The Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix, also known as the Urgent Important Matrix, helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Tasks are categorized into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. Example: use the matrix to sort your tasks. Focus first on tasks that are both urgent and important, then move to important but not urgent tasks, which often include strategic planning and personal development. The 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule, popularized by David Allen, suggests that if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. Analogy: think of the 2-minute rule as tidying up your workspace regularly. You keep your to-do list manageable and your mind clear by handling small tasks right away. Let's discuss how to apply these techniques to maximize productivity and reduce stress. Prioritization. Prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix and focus on what truly matters. This reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed and ensures you make progress on key objectives. Example: at the start of each day, review your to-do list and categorize tasks. Tackle the most critical tasks first, then move on to less urgent items. Creating routines. Establish daily and weekly routines to create structure and consistency. Routines can help you develop good habits and make it easier to manage your time effectively. Real-world story: successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos follow strict daily routines to ensure they stay productive and focused on their goals. Eliminating distractions. Identify and eliminate distractions that hinder your productivity. This might include turning off notifications, creating a dedicated workspace, or setting boundaries with others. Analogy: think of distractions as weeds in a garden. Removing them allows your productive tasks to flourish, just like pulling weeds helps your plants grow. Regular breaks. Incorporate regular breaks into your schedule to rest and recharge. Short breaks during work periods and longer breaks throughout the day can improve focus and prevent burnout. Example: use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to structure your breaks, ensuring you remain refreshed and productive throughout the day. Closing thoughts. Effective time management is a necessary skill that enhances productivity, reduces stress, and helps you achieve your goals. Techniques like the Eisenhower Matrix, Pomodoro technique, time blocking, the 2-minute rule, and setting SMART goals help you take control of your time and maximize each day. Assignment. This week, turn time management into a game. Choose one technique we discussed, like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking, and give it a playful twist. For example, set a timer and race against it to complete tasks or create a colorful time blocking schedule with stickers. At the end of the week, reflect on how this fun approach impacts your productivity and stress levels. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend Getting Things Done: The Art of Stress-Free Productivity by David Allen. This book offers practical strategies for managing your time and tasks effectively.